It's time for the Eurovision 2025 final tonight. Yes, it is 17th of May 2025 and I am enjoying this day so much as tonight is the best night of the year because it is the final of the Eurovision Song Contest in Basel. Now, I'm a bit sad that I am not there in place live as I was last year in Malmö. But hopefully Sweden wins tonight so I can see it live here in Stockholm, as I think Stockholm is the best suit and candidate to host the next year's contest. Hopefully that Kai, the Finnish trio that represents Sweden, will win tonight, as they are my favorites, obviously. So looking forward tonight. Well, my top 5 favorites for tonight are on 5th place Estonia, Tommy Cash with Espresso Macchiato. Such a funny song in Italian and partly English. And he sings about drinking Espresso Macchiato. Then on 4th place I have Albania, Zjerm, which means fire. Shkodra Electronic. I really love the ethnic sound and it really stands out of all of the other songs. So it's my number 4. Number 3 for me is Austria, one of the favorites to win, the second favorite to win after Sweden. It has a nice ballad that turns into a trance at the end, so a mix of opera and trance. I really love it and it's good staging as well. Number 2 is the host country, Switzerland, Zoe, Me with Voyage. I really love that song. It is underrated by many people, but the juries will love that and it might be a jury winner, and overall it will end top 5 for sure. And number 1, you have guessed already, Sweden, Parabadabastu, my favorite. So today's beach adventure is Eurovision based. And today I am for the very first time this year at Långsjöbadet in Älvsjö. Actually the area is called Långsjön as the same named lake. And yesterday we had lots of winds, but today there is no wind, so you can hear me clearly and loud today. As you can see, the water is so flat, you can see the reflection, and there are only very few people on the beach, but some of them are looking for coins on the sand. I am the only one that is going to take a swim, as this is the Beach Adventures with Kris, my channel, and I'm exploring many different beaches in Stockholm, my home city, in Sweden, the country where I live, and the whole world, obviously. This is one of the closest beaches to my home, and it took me 5 kilometers to get here. Around 13 minutes it was today, as I thought to have a quick beach adventure today, as I have a lot of work for my Eurovision content. You have been seeing lots of shorts on my channel, and I will continue while the Eurovision topic is trending, as it's gonna die off in few weeks. So I really need to use the momentum, as I am obviously one of the biggest Eurovision fans out there, as well as one of the biggest beach fans out there. So I think it's fun to combine both of my biggest interests, which is beach and Eurovision. That's why I added ESC to the end of my channel name, which means Eurovision Song Contest. Kris ESC. That is my nickname also on TikTok as well. You can find me also on Instagram and Facebook as well as capital Kris, capital with a C and Kris with a K. You have the links also on my channel as well. Alright, today it's a bit chilly, but not as chilly as yesterday, I would say. Even though it is 9 degrees, it's a bit warm indeed, because yesterday the wind was quite heavy. And in the water we have 13 degrees Celsius. I have just measured with my thermometer. And this is Långsjöbadet that you're seeing. And there are even 3 more jetties in that direction that are completely empty right now. Alright, so let's then go in for a dip in the Lake Långsjön today. And I'm so excited for Eurovision, obviously, and it's only now, so now it is 5:37, so we have how much, 3.5 hours left until So, are you ready for the dip in the lake? Yes, we are. So, ready, set, and go! The water is so still and quite amazing indeed. I have been several times on this lake before. Nice lake indeed, and beautiful nature also. So yeah, enjoy this lovely view of Långsjön and the Långsjö lake, and so excited for the Eurovision Song Contest tonight, of course. And we're gonna cheer for Sweden to win, obviously, Kai with Bara Bada Bastu. And yes, what else? That's a wrap. Now I need to get back home and to prepare some more Eurovision content for tonight. But thank you so much, and see you soon again. Another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.